Are you passionate about great sounds? Have you ever wondered how to make your own speaker? Welcome to Saitech. Wanted materials: two speakers, lithium ion batteries, and words of different colors, and audio amplifier, lithium ion battery charging module, and a Bluetooth module, and a switch, and a plywood. It's optional, you can even use a cardboard instead of a plywood. Now let us see the specifications of these modules. Important note:
It is Bluetooth 3.0 with audio signal decoding feature. The output is directly compatible with the amplifier. Very little weight and small size from the factors make it easily fits into any application area. Can be designed to design your own wireless music system. And it will consume very low power as compared to any other modules. And it consumes around 3.7 volt to 4 volt for its supply.
Ground. But some kind of modules will be having lot in the first and root in the third. So be careful and aware of them. Accordingly, draw the circuit. Now I will make you more clear about this. So now if you observe in the audio amplifier, you will surprised to find LGR, which are the first alphabets of these three in the Bluetooth module. Root, ground, loud. LGR. Both are same. So solve accordingly. Loud to L and ground to G and root to R. This is the final product of our project. So if I show you the circuit in this way, you may get confused. So I will show you the circuit diagram and this is our final outcome. Let's have the final look.